Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram not loading on iOS. If you're using any iPhone or iPad or any iOS device and your Instagram is not loading, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you're connected to the strongest internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or a cellular, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode, or you can try to switch between your Wi-Fi or cellular data. And once you have that, you just have to go back, and here you have to open your settings, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected, or if you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that. And then you have to go back, and here you have to go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update visible, because sometimes it might be that your phone have any pending software updates, so it cannot load your different apps very well. So once you have done, it will almost fix your issue. Or if this step doesn't work for you, you have to go for App Store, and here go for search, and simply search for Instagram, and you will find the app. You just have to make sure that you haven't any pending app update for your Instagram app, or if you find any update here, try to update your app. Once you have updated, it will almost fix your issue. Or if these steps is not for you, you have to open settings, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, and here enter your passcode, and all of your network settings will be resetted. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. And after that, you just have to go back and go for screen time, and you have to also make sure that you have disabled all the restrictions from here. If you have enabled this toggle, you have to disable it. And once you have done, you just have to go back, and here it will read that your issue will be fixed. You will not get to issue again. If you're still having the same issue, you have to open settings, go for general, go for iPhone storage, go for Instagram, try to offload your app, tap on offload, then tap on offload app. Once you have offloaded your app, you have to tap on reinstall app. If it might be, if there will be any bugs or malware into your Instagram apps, it will fix in this step. And after that, you will not get any issue of this type. So in this way, you can easily fix the issue if your Instagram app is not loading on your iOS, on your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.